Let's go swimming to the tune of London Bridge or your own fun watery rhythm, 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 your rhythm. Put on your suit, it's time to play, time to play, time to play. Put on your suit, it's time to play. We're going swimming today. Pretend to put on a swimsuit, splash hands in the air. Step in slow, now touch your toes, touch your toes, touch your toes. Step in slow, now touch your toes. Feel that water flow. Step forward slowly, bend down and touch toes in place. Blow some bubbles with your lips. Bloop, 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 just little sips. Like a fishy, nice and cool. Swimming in the learning pool. Puff cheeks and blow gentle bubbles. Wiggle hands like fish fins. Kick your legs. Now 1, 2, 3, kick with me. So splashy free. Float like boats and glide along. Sing your swimming song. Sit or lie down and pretend to kick. Then glide with arms out. Arms go out and pull back in. Stroke and splash and try again. You're a swimmer, brave and bright. Learning feels just right. What do we do when we swim? Kid, float, blow bubbles,